How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa es Tu Casa, and today in this video I'm going to show you how I turn this unusable space into my new work office area slash YouTube working space. So let me just tell you a couple of things before I jump into that. So you're probably wondering, but Jeanette, you already have a working YouTube area. What happened? Well, that room tends to be very, very cold in winter because it's not very well ventilated, and there's so much I can do in a rent home. So therefore, I chose to move that room into here, which is the hallway that takes me in and out of my home through the front of the house. Now, we normally don't use this room to come in and out of the house because we normally drive our cars and we take it all the way in the back of the house and we enter to that other door, which is where I have the other YouTube room or working office area. But like I said, it turns to be too cold in the winter. I personally don't trust the electrical heaters due to bad experience in the past, and therefore I chose to move it to this area. Now, I have a tip before you do something like this. So if your home has a little hallway just like mine and you want to turn it into an office so you can do your work or you can do your YouTube videos or you can do, I don't know, anything you want to use it for, the first tip that I want to give you is never obstruct your entrance door and your exit door, because that not only is your exit on your entrance to your home, but it also the exit and the entrance in case an emergency. In case an emergency for you to exit, and in case an emergency for the emergency personnel to enter to take care of you. So never do that. Never obstruct your door. That's why you will see in this video that I don't bring almost everything in the other video towards here, because it's not only a small space, but I don't want to obstruct my entrance in case of an emergency if I need help, or in case I need to go out of my house in case of an emergency. So therefore, let me show you how I turn this little hallway into my new working space slash YouTube area. Enjoy. Now, don't forget to stop and check these videos out because they have great information that I think you might be interested on. And remember, I will be seeing you in my next video, which is going to be a living room tour. And being that said, I see you in my next one. Ciao.